I hit this issue to date, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you want to stop your Peacock TV subscription from automatically renewing, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Peacock TV website and log in using your credentials. This is where you'll manage your subscription settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account management page. Step 3. Find subscription details. Scroll down to the subscription section. Here, you will see your current plan and renewal details. Step 4. Turn off auto renewal. Look for the option that says auto renewal and toggle it off. This will prevent your subscription from renewing automatically at the end of your billing cycle. Step 5. Confirm changes. After turning off auto renewal, you may receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check for this to ensure your changes were saved. If you don't see it, try refreshing the page. Now you're all set. You won't be charged for another billing cycle unless you decide to renew manually. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy streaming!